In this video, we'll be transforming a wooden wine box into a versatile waterproof herb planter using 3 products: original Plasti Dip, Pintyplus Home and Pintyplus Varnish. In addition to paint, you'll need a drill, some masking tape, newspaper, and we'd recommend a face mask for painting or a well-ventilated space. Although we want to waterproof the inside of our wine box, the first thing we're going to do is add some drainage holes. The waterproofing stops the box from rotting, but the drainage holes are important to stop the plants inside becoming waterlogged. Next, we'll want to mask off the sides of the box. Put tape all around the top of the sides, then add newspaper to protect the box below. Make sure you leave the top of the box clear so this can be waterproof too. We're using Plasti Dip first. It's a durable, waterproof coating which can be applied with a brush or as a spray. If you're using an aerosol, it's worth spraying a test piece of paper before you start to check the nozzle is clear, particularly if you've already used the can before. Spray the whole of the inside of the box, applying 2 coats to ensure total coverage and allowing about 20 minutes between coats. Try and get some spray down the inside of the holes you've drilled too. Once the Plasti Dip is touch dry, remove the masking tape and newspaper and turn the box over. For this next step, we'll be using Pintyplus Home paint to spray the outside of the box. Home is a water-based paint designed particularly for interiors and household objects. Apply 2 light coats, keeping your hand moving across the surface steadily. Finally, once the paint is dried, we're going to add a coat of varnish to add extra protection on the planter, as we'll be leaving it outdoors all summer. Once you've finished, leave the box for 24 hours so the paint can cure. And then fill with compost and plant out.